Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an investigative review of Veed.io, the browser-based video creation platform built entirely to maximize social media output through heavy artificial intelligence automation. For content creators, marketers, and talking head podcasters who are completely overwhelmed by the steep learning curves of Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, this cloud platform promises a fast, zero-download assembly line that builds, cuts, and styles high-retention videos in a quarter of the normal time. The crowning achievement here is the automated transcription engine, which generates highly accurate, stylized, dynamic captions for vertical content in over 100 languages, completely outperforming standard auto subtitle tools and giving creators massive reach with just a single click. Moreover, their newest update includes high-end AI productivity utilities like Magic Cut, which automatically scans timelines to delete all your filler words and awkward silences, along with an eye contact correction feature that digitally adjusts your pupils to face the lens even if you are actively reading off a script. The entire system acts like an integrated media studio, packing in a built-in screen recorder, a live teleprompter, direct social media aspect ratio resizing, and full access to generative AI avatars and voices powered by modern models like Veo 3.1 and Sora. However, building a real production pipeline inside Veed.io reveals a few prominent speed bumps that you absolutely must watch out for before inputting your credit card details. While the initial timeline feels remarkably light and intuitive, like a modern design editor, the underlying browser structure frequently suffers from severe performance lag and layout freezes when you attempt to stack multiple asset layers or process large, long-form master files. Another significant pain point is the tier structure, as the free plan slaps a heavy, massive watermark on your finished exports and limits the output resolution to an unacceptable 720p, making it nothing more than a basic playground demo. Upgrade pricing scales up aggressively depending on your team seats and required AI credits, meaning frequent creators will have to pay for the professional tier just to escape processing bottlenecks and unlock 4K rendering capacity. Ultimately, Veed.io is an incredibly potent, hyper-fast toolkit for solo creators who prioritize output volume and elite captioning speed over complex cinematic grading. But high-end studio teams should be prepared for occasional cloud glitches during intensive multi-layer edits. Subscribe the channel for more videos.